Hey guys, Mr. B here again, bringing another awesome math video. This one on finding the derivative of an exponential function. So, if we have something like y is equal to 3 to the x, we need to know how to be able to take the derivative of it. And there is a rule. I'll take you through how you can find it without a rule, and then I'll give you the rule. So, one of the ways we can take the derivative of this is taking the ln of both sides. So we do this. So ln of y is equal to ln of 3 to the x. So then what we can do is we can use one of our rules of logs and take this x that's on the 3 to the x to the outside. So if it's an exponent inside the ln or the log, it can come outside. So ln of y is equal to x times ln of 3. So now once we have this, we can actually take the derivative of both sides. So we have d over dx ln of y is equal to d over dx x times ln of 3, just like that. So the derivative of ln of y, so remember this is with respect to x, so the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, the derivative of ln of y is 1 over y. Then we have to make sure we multiply it by that y prime because it's an implicit derivative. And then well, it's not really implicit, but it's with respect to another variable. But anyway, you guys get the drift. And so the derivative of x times ln of 3, well, ln of 3, remember, that's just a constant, so it's no different if we were taking the derivative of 5x, 7x, 10x. It's just going to be 1. The derivative of x is 1 times that constant or coefficient, which is ln of 3. So in this case, it's just ln of 3. Then what we can do is we can rearrange this guy and solve for y prime. So y prime is equal to y ln of 3. So basically what I did is I just took this y and plopped it up front. You can multiply both sides by y, think of cross multiplication or whatever you need to. And then we know y is equal to 3 to the x ln of 3. So there you go. So from this you can kind of see the rule, and they're all like this. So if you have something, I'll just go back here for 1 second, say y is equal to a to the x, where that a is a number. So y is equal to a to the x. So if you have that, the derivative, d over dx, of a to the x is always a to the x times ln of a. Actually, I don't like the brackets there. Ln of a. So it's that simple. So if you know this rule, you can take the derivative of any of these guys. Now, you don't always have just x as an exponent. The intention of this video is not to talk about the chain rule or anything like that. But if you did have something other than x, say like x squared, sine, whatever it might be, let's call it u, so something a little more complicated, it would be a to the u times ln of a times u prime, or du over dx, however you want to think of it. So yeah, so that's really your two rules you can use going forward to take the derivative of exponentials. So let me just see it one more time, really straightforward. Y is equal to 4 to the x, so y prime is equal to 4 to the x times ln of 4. That simple, guys. So yeah, good luck, guys. I hope this video helps you take the derivative of some more complicated stuff. You can check out some of my other videos for any other harder examples of when you have to take the derivative of exponentials using the chain rule. So good luck, and hopefully this helps. I'll see you guys in class. Thanks for watching.